Hello everyone and welcome to this my video on introducing polynomials. What's a polynomial? That's a good question. I'm about to find out. I'll let you know in a minute when we get to the end of the video. Hopefully I'll have sussed it out by then. No, not really. My name's Darren from, yes, mathsguru.com. Have you been there? No, it's amazing. It's filled with maths content. Yeah, that hopefully will see you do really well in your maths exam and in my inimitable style with humour and just easy teaching. That's what it's here for. Yes, I get a little bit more complicated towards the end of the videos, but that's to make sure you smash maths. You can do this, I promise. Now, before you go any further, can you do me a massive favour and click that little subscribe button for YouTube? Why? Just lets me know that someone's been watching. I have no idea whether this stuff is even vaguely helpful. So if you can click subscribe, that means the world to me. And it just says, hey dude, I'm watching. Thank you. Continue doing it. Oh, half my hand went missing there. No, it's back. Yeah, I'm waffling now. Right, what are we going to do? Well, those are the learning objectives. By all means, pause the video now, have a look over it. Job done. And if you want to be able to scribble all over the notes, because I'm going to put the notes that I'm going to write on mathsguru.com. If you want to download them and write other stuff over it, that's going to be a brilliant idea, right? Yep. Okay, cool. Let's go. Now, recap of past learning. In our previous lessons in this particular section of the course, we looked at logarithms, and we're going to pause that for a moment. And we're going to now change focus to polynomials. And you're going to say, what's a polynomial? You have dealt with polynomials throughout all of year 9 and year 10, or a significant part of year 9 and 10 if you're here in Australia, and probably around the world. And you're going to say, why? And I'm going to say, quadratics. And you're going to go, no, not again. Oh yeah, again. A quadratic is a form of a polynomial. Okay, and all the stuff we did with the quadratics, which is like solving it and finding crossing points and sketching it and stuff, we can do with all sorts of polynomials. And you're saying, but you keep saying polynomial and you haven't told us what a polynomial is. Okay. What is a polynomial? A polynomial is an expression which has a number of the same pronumerals raised to positive integer powers or zeros. I've just had a mince pie and I love mince pies. I'm addicted to mince pies here. What you've noticed is I'm quite low down because the rest of me is sort of sinking. I've put on quite a lot of weight. That's okay, he says. I only have one chin. Right, but anyway, a polynomial. So what I'm saying here is it's got to be the same letter. So you notice here the pronumeral is all x. Perfect. And what you notice is the floaty numbers are all positive powers, right? Positive whole number powers, yes? It can be 0 as well, all right? Because if you look at that 4, that's actually 4x to the power of 0, if you remember, because x, anything to the power of 0 is 1. Yes. Okay, so this here is a polynomial, yes. 2x5 plus x cubed minus 3 is a polynomial. And you're going to say, but hold on a moment, you've missed the x to the 4, the x to the 2. It doesn't matter. You can miss terms out because remember, they would just be basically x to the power of 0. Yeah, or just have a coefficient of 0. So that is a polynomial, and that is a polynomial. Yay! And the trick here, and I've seen this in exams over and over again, is that the powers have to be positive whole numbers. So if we look here, is this a polynomial? Well, I've got an x squared, that's a positive whole number, but the square root of x. What can the square root be written as? To the power of a half. So in that situation here, 2 on x plus 3. Well, you're going to try and say, well, that has a positive power. It's x to the floaty 1. It is x to the floaty 1, but that x is under the 2. So if I was going to write that properly, that would be 2x to the negative 1 plus 3. And suddenly that is no longer a polynomial. Why? Or it wasn't a polynomial to start with. It's not a polynomial. X to the power of minus 1. What about the next one? Fairly obviously no, because I've got x to the power of 1/3. So again, if you see an exam question which says which of these is a polynomial, yeah, you'll be able to work it out. Parts of a polynomial, no different from the stuff we've been doing probably since year 8 when you've been looking at terms and like terms and collecting like terms and what have you. What's most important now is the language, and this whole course and methods 1, 2 and all the stuff you're going to do later on is very much language based. You learn the language, you are going to smash maths because it all boils down to algebra. Once your algebra is good, you're going to do really, really